Have you ever seen a tree that looks like it's covered in cleaning tools? Meet the weeping bottlebrush. Identification. Scientifically called Callistemon viminalis. These stunning evergreens are famous for their unique, brush-like flower spikes, originally from Australia. They've become a favorite in gardens worldwide. Features. Those drooping, weeping branches aren't just for show, they can grow up to 30 feet tall. And check out those flowers, they are a literal magnet for hummingbirds and butterflies looking for a nectar snack. Why people love them? Why are they so popular? Because they're tough as nails. They handle heat, drought, and even poor soil like a champ. Plus, they stay green all year round, giving your yard a permanent tropical vibe. If you want yours to look this good, give it plenty of sunshine. And here's a pro tip: prune it right after the flowers fade. Nature's designs are incredible, aren't they? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant facts.